In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply refund to next year on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a refund from this year and use it as a credit toward next year's taxes, which can help smooth out your cash flow and reduce the chance of underpayment penalties. First, open TurboTax, sign into your account, and open your current tax return. If you haven't started your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and begin preparing your taxes so you can follow along. Next, work through your return as usual. Enter all of your income, deductions, and credits, and continue through the interview until you reach the filing section. TurboTax updates your numbers as you go, so take your time and make sure everything is accurate. When you reach the refund area, TurboTax will display your expected federal refund based on what you entered. Before you make any choices, verify the amount looks right. Double-check common items like your W-2 and 1099 entries, your dependents, and any major deductions or credits. If anything seems off, go back and correct it now so you're applying the correct amount. Continue into the federal review. TurboTax will scan for errors or missing information, fix anything it flags. Clearing these items ensures your refund and your election to apply it forward are both recorded correctly. During the filing process, you'll come to the refund options section. Here's where you decide what to do with your federal refund. Instead of choosing direct deposit or a check, select the option that says, apply all or part of my refund to next year's taxes. This directs TurboTax to allocate your refund as a credit toward your next year's estimated taxes. You'll then be asked how much to apply. You can choose the full refund or just a portion. Consider your expected income next year and whether you typically owe at tax time. Remember, once you file, this choice generally can't be changed, so enter the amount you truly want applied forward. Review the refund allocation summary carefully. Confirm that the figure being applied to next year's taxes is correct and reflects your intention. Finally, continue through the remaining filing steps and submit your return. TurboTax will include your refund application election on your tax return, and the amount you chose will appear as a credit toward next year's taxes. It's a good idea to save a copy of your filing confirmation and note the exact amount you applied forward for your records. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your tax planning for next year.